Greetings, family and friends. It's another effervescent situation. It's Rastafari Soldier. I'm riding through Jamaica's national landmark, and I want to send this to Andrew Holness. Let me turn around the camera so I can speak with some kind of boldness. Now, dear Prime Minister Andrew Holness, this is Rastafari Soldier, the crocus bag farmer, red, green and gold. Yeah, you know I'm boulder. Now I'm driving right now in the prestige Holland bamboo, and as you see from the camera how it a shake, the road mess up, a paper pothole in it. For a national landmark, for a beautiful place like this, for St. Elizabeth, Jamaica's food basket, to be enduring such a horrific road on such a precious national landmark of Jamaica. We're pleading to the Prime Minister to fix the road Holland bamboo in St. Elizabeth. It's Jamaica's national landmark. I mean, I tell you, I pay a pothole, I pay a bumpy road. But look how beautiful it is. Look how gorgeous. Yeah, me in a Holland bamboo right now. Y'all can see. I want to take a moment, you know, make you know, say, yo, subscribe to the channel, share up the content. As I travel right now, I'm hoping that I could make it into this Knoxford Express. I want to introduce this driver to my right. How hard him here, you know? Most of them youth, yeah. Real driver, real general. I have so many amazing stories we can tell. But I man just want to see them driving skills right here in Holland bamboo with them. Jamaica's national landmark. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like and share. Build up the Rastaman panel. Y'all can take. Yeah. Riding straight through Jamaica's national landmark. Me I tell you, say, I know the driver, the man you can drive good at the road. Look there. Okay, like somebody probably overload. People, me love the beauty and for the real thing, you know, wanting to send this to Prime Minister Andrew Holness because I can't tell well now him right on the road here. I know he probably seen the picture and videos. Want him to see this one, so tag him for me. They won't know if he do them thing then. But it's atrocious. It's embarrassing to the entire country, to the people of Jamaica, especially to the people them that has moved on to America and realized the simplicity of a road. Here we are looking at the country's national landmark with tear bumpy, like them bullfrog toad. Some big old pothole in our road. And Mr. Andrew Holness, I heard that money was allocated to fix the highway. You have it like a byway. You hear what I say? Open up your yard and clear up the way. Please, government of today, you cannot allow this kind of, see that man flick off rimming up. I mean, I tell you no. You know, if they fix the road, it's a shame and an embarrassment. But it's a beautiful, beautiful cascade of bamboo. You see how long it is, the national landmark. And the government now take care of it. Anywhere you go in the world and there's a national landmark, the government make sure they take care of it. But here in St. Elizabeth, yeah, in a Jamaica, West Indies, we have a national landmark where have paper pothole and bumpy on it. You can't do that to me. You embarrass me. A joke thing on the pan. Subscribe, like and share, like me say, you know. I'm a real driver. Mad like my guy. It's Rastafari Soldier. Big up on yourself,